Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to remove sound from videos on Android. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to remove sound from your videos, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open the album or gallery app in your phone. In my phone it's album app. Just open it and here select the video which sound you want to remove. As I have selected one, now tap on edit icon, just tap on it and here you will get the music or volume icon. We just have to tap on it and here you have to select the music and after that you will get the volume icon. You just have to minimum or mute it and after that just tap on done and then tap on save with the settings. So that's how you can easily remove sound from videos on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.